Hello guys, my name is Sudeep. Today I'm going to show you how to fix white label error while you are making a Spring Boot project. So first let me go to my Eclipse project. So as you can see, there is a project name called Spring Boot here, and there are two packages. And let me go to this class. As you can see, this is a Spring Boot runner class, and there are two classes on a Spring Boot package. This is a book which has ID, name, author, and some getter and setter. And this is a controller class. Slash books is a URI to map it. And let me run this project. Let me see what happens. So run as a Java application. Okay, so it has not been successful, so let me terminate this and do it again. Okay, let's see what happens. So now it is successful. Let's go to the browser and type in localhost 8080/books. So there you go, it shows a white label error page. So we are solving this here right now. So let's go to the Eclipse, and this is the runner class, and the simple thing what we do here is just use an annotation called component scan and write the name of the package that you want to scan. In my case it is Spring Boot, so let me write Spring Boot here. Spring Boot. So I'll save it. Let's try what happens in my browser. There you go, it works now. So basically what you do is you just put a component scan on your runner class and put the name of the package that you want to scan. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe.